Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Man, don't you wish you could just shut out the world sometimes? All that noise and God, And just like that, the Sea Ray calms the whole world down. That's what an SLX series, especially this stern drive 310, is gonna mean to you and your family. I'm standing on a wide open swim platform. There's nothing obstructing the view from this lounger. It's cup holders, it's stereo control, it's cell phone chargers. This is an oasis on the water for you and your family. And that's really what boating should be. This boat, the 310 SLX, embodies the whole point of boating. It's an escape. And that's what this boat does so well. Sea Ray gives you things like their quiet ride technology. They fuse the hull, the stringers, the top deck of this boat, and you eliminate the slapping. You eliminate that rough ride and that rough feel that maybe you grew up on a parent's ski boat. And you can just bring every amenity on the water here. You've got fresh water on the deck. Your hatch lift is electric. You've got a full summer kitchen, grill, cutting board, sink. There's a fridge down here. Oh, excuse me. There's storage everywhere, something I harp that Sea Ray does. So that means this boat looks just like this, even when it's you and the kids and the extended family for the holidays, because you have places to put everyone's bag. Need to stick a trash can out of the way? No problem. Sea Ray's got you covered. Cup holders on top. You need to stick skis, tubes, inflatables. There's a huge deck right in the hatch. People want to sit backwards. People want to sit forwards. You want a rowdy day on the water? There's sound systems galore and remotes all over the boat. In fact, this one even comes factory with a subwoofer. So it can party too. You got a cool day, you want the sun on you? Yup, power sunroof. It literally has everything, and it doesn't forget anyone. In fact, if we go forward to the driving station, for 2019, Sea Ray redesigned their dash to be much more like a yacht or a sport fish. You've got joystick controls. You've got automatic trim tabs, a spotlight. There's nothing that's gonna catch you by surprise for a day on the water. With a head and a huge open bow, Sea Ray brings every ounce of luxury, everything you could ever hope to have for a beautiful, comfortable family day on the water to this 310 SLX. I love this boat. Your family's gonna love it too. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. We're here for questions and to help you find your right Sea Ray. We'll talk to you soon.